Hello everybody, Carla Nix here with the Nix team at Coldwell Banker, Sunstar Realty in beautiful Southwest Florida. I want to jump right in and talk about something that's on everybody's mind because it's certainly on the news, and that's the impending government shutdown if the budget is not passed and how that affects real estate. Now, usually I give these tips at the end, so don't miss out. I'm still going to share the stats with you as well, but just to hit it right on the head, if we don't get the budget passed by the end of September, the few things in real estate that are affected are things like federal flood insurance, which is a lot of the citizens policies, FEMA policies that are transferable. If you need a mortgage and you need to secure flood insurance, that's a big one. If you're getting an FHA loan, a VA loan, or a rural development loan, those all also can be impacted by the delay. The last delay happened in 2018 where a budget was not passed in time and we were on hold for 35 days. And I remember it well because we had several people at that time buying homes with USDA or 100% financing that were basically on hold. There's nothing that can be done. And so prepare for that ahead of time. If you need to secure flood insurance for an upcoming closing, get it done now. Go ahead and start working your way through all of those things to be proactive so that you don't have any trouble. That's your extra tip for the day. Now, jumping in, Charlotte County real estate statistics for residential specifically. As of today, in the last week, we've had 192 new listings hit the market. Again, this is an increasing time where we're seeing more and more inventory coming online in the residential category specifically. Also, we've had 108 properties go pending. We're starting to see people making decisions and picking out what they want so they can be here to enjoy our beautiful weather. And then 108 properties have closed. All of that's for Charlotte County. So we can pull these numbers for you anywhere in Southwest Florida. We just happen to be located here. And so that's what stayed consistent for all of these videos that I've been sharing. But if you need help, you're thinking about selling your house and just want to know what it's worth or need to navigate some of these issues that might arise with the whole government shutdown piece of the puzzle, or just want to get started buying but don't know where to begin, give us a call at 941-225-4663. We would love to help you. Lastly, we have a big company-wide open house event this weekend, so stay tuned for those details on social media and in our newsletter. We have several great properties to stop by both Saturday and Sunday, so we hope to see you out and about. Have a great day, everybody.